Air source heat pump and water source heat pump run on same thermodynamic cycle called as vapor compression cycle. Air source heat pump takes the input of electricity and extract the heat from ambient air and gives hot water up to 90 degrees Celsius. Due to extraction of heat from ambient air, it gets cooled than the ambient temperature. If the requirement is hot water and cold air, then the air source heat pump is the solution. In water source heat pump, it takes the input of electricity and extract the heat from ambient water or process treated water from the industry and gives you hot water up to 90 degrees Celsius. Due to extraction of heat from water, it gets cooled in the range between 7 to 30 degrees Celsius, and this temperature is dependent on the temperature required of hot water. And if the requirement is hot water and cold water, then the water source heat pump is the solution. Hot water generally used in industry for degreasing, pre-treatment or washing machine processes. In commercial sector, it can be used for bathing purpose or in kitchen. Cold water can be used to reduce load on chillers. Cold air can be used for space cooling where the temperature is high. As both the heat pump run on same principle, so both the heat pump run with same efficiency. Both the heat pump are useful to reduce CO2 emission and help industries to reduce their energy bills. Return on investment is highly possible if you have system like electric heater or hot water generator, and if you replace that with heat pump, then the payback period will be less than 1.5 years. For more information, you can contact us.